Hello friends, today I'll share with you 6 oily or greasy hairstyles. These hairstyles are very easy to recreate, so let's jump in. My hair is like third day hair, but I'll use anyway some smoothing cream, oil and some hair wax and hairspray. So you can use what you have at home. You can use even water if you don't have anything around. For the first half updo, we want to make a straight central parting and we want to select our hair like I'm showing, creating 2 mini ponytails on top like I'm showing. Make sure everything is nice and smooth. Use some smoothing product. I'll use a wax stick to smooth everything out. Then grabbing my 2 ponytails, you can use again some smoothing product if your hair is frizzy like mine is, and you want to simply knot your hair. You want to make underneath one more knot, and then if your hair is longer, you can knot your hair on top once more, but my hair is not that long, so I decided to wrap it around, use a clear elastic over my half up bun created, and then I'll use some bobby pins, or you can use grips to fix your bun and hide your elastic. For our second half updo, we want to make again our central parting. Also, I'll select 2 mini tiny sections on both sides of our parting, and then I'll simply row braid it. So basically, a row braid means you divide your section in 2, and then you want to twist each section one way and then twist around each other opposite ways. So you want to continue these steps over and over again until you reach the ends, and when you reach them, you want to use some hairspray and stick your ends like I'm showing. It will stay in place, trust me. Also, at this point you can make a twist and braid instead if you like it more. I just absolutely love row braids, that's why I made 2 row braids in the front. Gathering your hair from your ears up, creating a half up ponytail, you want to smooth everything down using the comb that you have. I used 2 or 3 of them, and then you want to tie it with a clear elastic. I usually like to double elastics for my ponytails just in case, so it will be secure. And last time, make sure to pull your hair halfway through and leave this loop out. Then you want to grab the ends, divide it into 2, grab your loop and make an opening through your ponytail and bring your loop through the opening up. Make sure to pull your loop to create this voluminous and beautiful bun. Use some product if needed and you're basically done. For the next hairstyle, we want to make a parting. I'll make a big zigzag parting, if we can call it like that, because it's just a V-shaped zigzag like you see. So you want to smooth everything down and make a very low ponytail. Now You want to twist your hair up and down. If your hair is longer than mine, make sure to bring it under your ponytail and up to cover your elastic, and then use a bigger claw clip to fix everything in place. Done! Look how stylish and beautiful it looks. For the next one, again we'll make a central parting. Then we want to select our top section like I'm showing from both sides of our parting. Then grabbing the rest, you want to brush everything nicely up, creating a high ponytail using a clear elastic. I'll mention this again. I make sure to double my elastic when making any ponytails to secure it. Then grabbing one of the sections, you want to grab a small tiny section from the back and leave it for later on both sides like so. Then grabbing your section left in the front, you want to brush it well, bring it down. Here you can use a bobby pin too. I decided to use a clip because it gives such a vibe to our hairstyle, so I decided to use one. And you want to repeat on opposite side. Make sure everything is nice and smooth. You can use some product to smooth everything down. More product, better, trust me, for smooth hairstyles. Then you want to grab your section left and bring it forward. So basically, yes, you leave them like that. You can curl them, you can straighten them. It's kind of trendy vibe to a ponytail. Then grabbing the section from the back, you want to bring them up and fix them using bobby pins. Then grabbing a section underneath, you want to incorporate sections from the top into it and wrap it around your elastic to hide it. And then you want to tucker into the elastic the ends. Also, if you find hard tuckering into the elastic the ends, you can use a bobby pin to fix in place. Also, you can use some hairspray to fix this construction. For the next one, again central parting, select your front sections from both sides like I'm showing. Grabbing the rest, you want to make a higher ponytail now, making sure everything is super smooth and nice. On last time, make sure to divide your ponytail into two and make a loop like so. Then you can use another elastic or use the same elastic and make your second loop like I'm showing. Now you want to bring one of the loops into another one. Like so, creating this voluminous bun. Then you want to pin it from the sides to create this voluminous effect of the bun. Also, you want to grab the ends and wrap it around your bun, tuck it into the bun underneath the ends and fix it using bobby pins or grips. Then grabbing your front sections, you want to twist it lightly in the back and bring it under the bun and pin it in place, and you want to repeat on opposite side, hiding the ends of the sections. You want to wrap them or pin it under your bun, you decide. I like to wrap it around my bun and pin it in place, and our bun is ready. For the next one, we want to make here a zigzag parting. I absolutely love zigzag parting now. I like to use the tail of the comb to make a zigzag parting, and trust me, I did it several times until I was happy with my zigzag parting. So don't give up, just do it several times until you reach your desired look. Make sure your hair is nice and sleek and smooth, and tie your hair creating a low ponytail. I used here scrunchie because it will give a voluminous look to my bun, but if your hair is thick, you can use a regular elastic. Then you want to wrap your hair around your elastic to cover it like I did, and leave your ends out like that up. And you want to use an elastic stick to fix everything in place. If you need, you can use also some grips and bobby pins to fix it, and some product, and you're basically done. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's hair tutorial. Don't forget to like it, subscribe to us on Hairstyles channel for more. Love you so much, and see you soon in my next one. Mwah! Bye!